No doubt. Uh-oh. Okay.
Are you tired of dirty clothes? Do you want an efficient way of cleaning those dirty clothes up? Are you itching for that fresh, clean scent? Look no more. Today I'm going to go through the steps of how to clean your laundry. I have done my laundry for over 2 years. Before I did my own, I constantly watched my mother do the family's laundry for about 16 years. I will be explaining the steps of how to get your laundry clean with the acronym CLASS. The C is create separate piles. The L, load your clothes. The A, add your soaps. The S, set the settings. And the last S is shut the door and start the washer. First is the C, which stands for create separate piles. Separating your laundry by colors. First, you want to put the darks in a separate pile, and then you'll put the whites in a separate pile. And then if you choose, you can put the colors in the dark pile or in a separate pile. Now that you have at least 2 piles, you are ready for the next step. The L in class stands for load the clothes. Pick a pile of your choice and put that pile into the washing machine. If not all your laundry fits in that one load, keep enough out in order to make a separate load. Now that you've created separate piles and loaded your dirty clothes, you are ready to move on to the third step. The A in class stands for adding the soap. Adding the soap is a very important part of doing your laundry. You will want to add the actual laundry soap that will go directly into the machine with the clothes. Next, you'll add fabric softener. Depending on your washing machine and your fabric softener could go in the dispenser or in with your clothes. If your washing machine does not have a dispenser, put the fabric softener right in with the clothes. If your washing machine does have a dispenser, look on your fabric softener bottle to see the amount of the clothes you are washing. When you pour the softener into the dispenser, if you have liquid, dilute this softener by mixing water in to fill up the dispenser the rest of the way. If you are using crystal fabric softener, measure the correct amount out and pour it right in along with your clothes and soap. Now that you have done these steps, you are now ready to set your settings. The S in class stands for set the settings. In order to successfully wash your laundry, you have to set the settings properly. First, you have to set the wash cycle. The wash cycle depends on whether you are washing delicates, regular fabrics, or wools. On the inside of your washer's lid, there should be a chart that tells you what wash cycle you should use. Next, you need to set the water level. The water level depends on how much clothes you have in the load. The more clothes, the higher the water level needs to be. Last is the water temperature. The chart where you found what wash cycle to use should tell you what water temperature you also should use. The water temperature is determined by the type of clothes you are washing. Now you have done all the hard parts and are ready to move on to the last step. The last S in class stands for shut the door and start the washer. In order for your washer to actually start washing your clothes, you have to shut the door. In order to start your washer, there is either a start button or you have to pull out on one of the knobs. Most of the time, it is the wash cycle knob that starts filling the washer with water and starts the machine. Shutting the door and starting the dispenser completes the steps needed to wash your dirty laundry. When you are surrounded by dirty clothes and do not know what to do about it, don't panic. Just remember class. Getting those clothes clean will only take a couple minutes if you keep calm and follow the acronym CLASS. Doing your laundry takes some time to get used to. In order to be able to do it efficiently, it takes practice and trials and errors. Once you do the class steps, you will be able to do your laundry as efficiently as you brush your teeth. When your room starts smelling better because you are doing your laundry, you will be thankful for class.